Welcome back, Crammers, to question 7. Caramel is working out the cost of her mobile phone in March. Here is the information she uses. Work out the total cost that Caramel has to pay for using her phone in March. So to work out the total cost, we can see that we have a monthly charge, we have calls, and we have texts. Now we can find each of these values. For monthly calls, monthly charge, it's already given as 20.75. For calls, it's $0.10 per minute, but it also says that the first 400 minutes are free. So we can subtract 400 from 465 minus 400 gives us 65. Now, for calls, we have 65 times $0.10 per minute, $0.10 per minute. So that means we can actually bring this and we get $6.5 in total for calls. For texts, we have $0.05 each message, but the first 1500 messages are free. So we have 740 minus 1500. That gives us 240. So that means we have 240 times 0.05. And we can use our calculator here. We have 240 times 0.05 gives us 12 equals 12. And now that we have all the values, we can combine them. The total cost for monthly charge is 20.75 plus calls, which is 6.5 plus texts, which is 12. We can then put this into a calculator to find our answer. We have 20.75 plus 6.5 plus 12, which gives us 39.25. 39.25. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.